Hello, and welcome to Sandy's Musicals, bringing the Igbo language to you all, one music at a time. In this video, I will be discussing the Igbo alphabet known as Mkpụrụedemede, also known as Abịdịị. If you like this video, click the bell, subscribe, and the like button. The Igbo alphabet is made up of 36 letters. 28 of the Igbo letters consist of the consonants except C, Q, and X. The letters C, Q, and X are not part of the Abịdịị. The remaining 8 Igbo letters consist of the vowels. The first Igbo alphabet is A. The Igbo alphabet A is not pronounced the same way as in the English alphabet A. It is pronounced A as in the letter A in the English word apple. Say it with me. A, 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 A as in apple. The next Igbo alphabet is B. The Igbo alphabet B is not pronounced the same way as in the English alphabet B. It is pronounced as in the letters B-I, B, in the English word bib. Say it with me. B, 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 as in bib. The next Igbo alphabet is Ch, C-H. The Igbo alphabet does not have the letter C. It has the letter CH, Ch. It is pronounced as in the letters CHI, Ch, in the English word chicken. Say it with me. Ch, 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 as in chicken. The next Igbo alphabet is D. The Igbo alphabet D is not pronounced the same way as in the English alphabet D. It is pronounced as in the letters D-I, D, in the English word dig. Say it with me. D, 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 as in dig. The next Igbo alphabet is E. The Igbo alphabet E is not pronounced the same way as in the English alphabet E. It is pronounced as in the first letter E, in the English word elephant. Say it with me. E, 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 as in elephant. The next Igbo alphabet is F. The Igbo alphabet F is not pronounced the same way as in the English alphabet F. It is pronounced as in the letters F-I, F, in the English word fish. Say it with me. F, 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 as in fish. The next Igbo alphabet is G. The Igbo alphabet G is not pronounced the same way as in the English alphabet G. It is pronounced as in the letters G-I, G, in the English word gill. Say it with me. G, 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 as in gill. And now, boys and girls, the musical part of the Abịdịị video. A, B, Ch, D, E, F, G. Question time, everyone. Which of the 3 letters are not in the Igbo alphabet? Are they C, Q, and X, or A, B, and C, or Q, D, and G, or none of the above? Put your answer in the comments below, as well as send your answers to sandysmedicinals@gmail.com in order to get the 10% off code for this zesty fruity mix at sandysmedicinals.com. 50 random winners will be chosen for this prize, so act now. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next time.